Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to sign up for GitLab in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the GitLab homepage. You'll find a Sign Up button prominently featured. Click on Sign Up. Here, you'll find options to register using your email or other accounts. Fill in your details, email, username, and password. Make sure it's a strong password. Don't forget to check your email for the confirmation link. Click it to activate your account. Once activated, log in and get started on your projects. Welcome to GitLab. Now, you're ready to collaborate and manage your projects efficiently. Explore features, join communities, and make the most out of GitLab's powerful tools. For help, visit the support section or check out GitLab's extensive documentation. Remember, the GitLab community is here to assist you on your journey. Thank you for watching. Happy coding! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.